How to convert your photos into a black and white and color engravings in Photoshop. First, make 2 copies of your photo, by pressing Ctrl J twice. Name the top layer, color. The layer below, black and white. Then right-click and convert it to Smart Object. Disable the top layer. Go to Image, Adjustments, and Black and White. Select the top layer. Go to File, Place Embedded, and place your engraving texture. Adjust the size and position. Hit Enter or Return on the keyboard. And change the blending mode from normal to hard mix. Decrease the fill to 80%. Select the black and white layer. Go to Image, Adjustments, and Shadows and Highlights. Make the shadows 90%. And the highlights 40%. Click on the adjustment layer and create a levels. Make the input highlights 215. And the input shadows 0.75. Enable the color layer. Change the blending mode from normal to color. I'll decrease the opacity to 35%. And that's it. Hope you liked it.